Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will to introduce myself. My name is Iqazul Assalamy. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Semarang. My major is English Literature. And now I want to tell you about explanation text. Okay, do you know about explanation text? What is the explanation text? Explanation text is one statement or describe explanation about anything. For example, you can explanation about your friend. Do you understand? And after you know about explanation, you can to make some what is it? And first, you can make to outline to make easily, and you can after this you can check your project, your achievement in preparator. I want to give you information how to check preparator in Google. Okay. Follow me. Okay guys, you can check your project or your achievement in preparator. Okay, wait. I'm so sorry, my laptop must to fix. What is Google? Sorry, my laptop is long loading. Okay, Google. Can you write preparator? Preparator, and can you open preparator? You can click use now free. So in this preparator you can check grammar, plagiarism. You can you use to plagiarism or no. Can you check in this preparator? You can get start to below. Yes. Upload file upload one more. No, I'm so sorry, this is premium. Okay, I want to find about my file. I want to check my file. This is the example for explanations about fruit. Can you copy paste? and then can you open this browser and paste. Aduh dulu. Select the education level of this paper author, and I'm from college. Select paper you are submitting depend on your assessment. For example, elder, skip faster. Can you choose skip or include? For example, include. And then can you check this? And get report. Wait, still waiting. And you can check plagiarism in this. This is work to originality, 100% original, and there is no plagiarism. Can check my assessment. Can you check plagiarism detections? Grammar, spelling, word choice, style, vocabulary words, grade, submission, advanced, and number. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.